foundation of finance is build a budget, right? In most cases, if you're 18, you're living at home still, you are probably paying little to no bills. You have very little financial obligations. You're not having to pay rent in most cases or utilities. So take advantage of that. Have a clear plan in mind, right? If we're talking about you want to move out, right? That's the goal, right? We're talking about defining our goals before we start taking action. So the goal is to move out. So let's create a budget. Let's understand how much money is coming in, how much money is going out, and at that point, if you don't have a job, obviously get a job or have some source of income, whether that's your career or a side hustle. If you're looking to buy a house, you could look for affordable housing. You could look at options like buying a fixer upper, your first home. And if you're looking to rent, obviously, outsource, some of those costs, get roommates that can share the costs that you could get out. But I'd say obviously budget, figure out your income sources, how that goes. And then depending on the route you're wanting to take in terms of housing or moving out, lean on what's available to you and definitely do your due diligence and research on that.